Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk.
Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. Just got a new gaming monitor, the Mi Curved gaming monitor, 34-inch, and I guess the most impressive part is that it's got 144 Hertz of high refresh rate. I've usually seen ones like 60 or 75 or something, never used one that large, so that should be good. Low blue light sounds impressive. What else? The resolution is really high, 3440. So I can't think of anything bad about this monitor. So let's have a quick look and see how good it is. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Very large stand. Okay, so I'm guessing the monitor is going to be attached to this. And this is the base of the stand. So that is probably going to go on here somehow. Let's see if I can make that go on. Yeah, it fits on. Probably need to stabilize it somehow. Let's put this down here. So we have a user manual, power cable, HDMI cable. Oh no, this is actually display port cable. Here you go, there's the screws to screw it in. User manual. Here is the thumb screw that I'm guessing is very important for fixing this display stand on. So let's open that up. Onto that, and we're going to put the thumb screw on here. Screw it on. Alright, so that part is all safe, doesn't fall out. Okay, let's get out the monitor. Onto the monitor. So I'm guessing it should be something like this. Alright, so if you can see this little switch, pull it up and then clip it on. Okay. So these screws probably don't need to be used unless you want to wall mount it, in which case I'm not doing, but I'll keep the parts. Okay, so now let's bring it up. Okay, there it is, my 34-inch monitor. As you can see, it is a lot more spacious, makes the desk a lot more spacious than having two monitors. And let's see how well it works. So this is the back of the monitor, and I just want to show you how to open up the cable management case. So as you can see from the, I'll push that in a bit. From this angle here, you can probably see this little arch. You're going to pull that open. Okay. And then down here is where all your cables are. Okay, so these are all the things available. You can see HDMI 1, 2, DisplayPort 1, 2, and a sound input. So I'll just show you from down here. So these are the 5 inputs available. Okay, so I've plugged in my power. I've plugged in my DisplayPort. Okay, so let's now see what this monitor looks like. So as you can see, I'm on the new monitor and everything's looking pretty good. I did notice a couple of things already, and I'll just show it to you. If I play a game of Tekken now, what you'll notice is that games will still have a black line on the left and on the right, because not every game is going to support widescreen. Okay, and even if you go into change the resolution, so if I go into options and I go into this graphic settings, there is no option that allows you to have a wider screen that covers those black lines. So that's just a quick warning to let you know. And then I also noticed some other problems. So if I play a game, I'll show you. If I go into a game, another thing that you want to consider is the writing might be a bit small. So what I do is I go to right click, display settings, and just change the font size over here. All right, change the font size over here to, let's say, 150, and you'll see way bigger writing.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.